Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create your For the Guys card kit. Here's what our projects will look like when we're finished. I'm going to leave them here on the table so that you can have them for reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your cards. Most everything is in your kit, but you may also need some scissors. And don't forget your printed instructions. By separating and sorting your elements by project, you'll be totally set up for success. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. For me, it's easier to create one project at a time. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. I prefer to do my stamping first. Stamp before you stick, right? Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. So place your desired stamp on the block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across your image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or two on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly. And there you go. You'll need to stamp multiple images, so just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp and then put it back on your stamp sheet. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description below. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to adhere it all together and embellish our project. Use glue dots for adding flat images or dimensionals for adding height. Your instructions are a great resource for seeing what adhesive is used where. If you're having trouble getting your glue dots off of the sheet, you can also use your scissors just to get underneath the glue dot and lay it down. There are lots of pieces, but that's okay. We have our trusty instructions to show us exactly where to put everything for each individual project. Now that we've finished our first project, we'll move through the same steps for the second one. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's move on to card number 2. As you can see in the instructions, this is set up for an anniversary card, but I'm going to choose to make an I love you card instead. So feel free to use your versatile sentiments however you choose. Look at these beautiful projects. Now our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them so special. I'm excited to share this card with someone I care about, and I hope you'll share yours as well. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from at StampiNUp.com. Click Shop Product and then Kits Collection to find your next creative experience. Enjoy!